Having a reliable graphics card is paramount. However, with the market flooded with options, finding a high-performing GPU within a budget can be challenging. Fear not, as we've delved into the realm of graphics cards under $200 and rigorously tested the top contenders. Here, we present our findings on the top 5 best graphics cards under $200 in 2024, evaluated by experts and backed by real-world performance. Number 1. AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT. Performance. The AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT has been a powerhouse in the mid-range GPU market since its release. With 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of up to 1905 MHz, it delivers exceptional performance across a wide range of games and applications. Experience. Our tests revealed smooth gameplay experiences even at higher resolutions and graphics settings. The card handles AAA titles with ease and provides ample headroom for creative tasks like video editing and graphic design. Additionally, features like AMD's RDNA architecture and Radeon image sharpening enhance visual fidelity without compromising performance. Number 2. AMD Radeon RX 6600. Performance. The AMD Radeon RX 6600 offers a compelling blend of affordability and performance. With 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and AMD's RDNA 2 architecture, it boasts excellent 1080p gaming capabilities. Experience. Our hands-on experience with the RX 6600 revealed consistent frame rates and smooth gameplay in popular titles. Its efficient power consumption and compact form factor make it an ideal choice for smaller PC builds. Moreover, features like AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution provide a noticeable boost to performance without sacrificing image quality. Number 3. NVIDIA RTX 2060. Performance. Despite being a slightly older card, the NVIDIA RTX 2060 continues to impress with its performance. With 6 GB of GDDR6 memory and real-time ray tracing capabilities, it offers a taste of next-gen gaming experiences. Experience. During our testing, the RTX 2060 showcased its prowess in ray-traced titles, delivering stunning visuals and immersive gameplay. While it may not match the raw power of newer GPUs, it remains a solid choice for gamers looking to enter the realm of ray tracing without breaking the bank. Number 4. NVIDIA GTX 1650 Super. Performance. The NVIDIA GTX 1650 Super is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. With 4 GB of GDDR6 memory and NVIDIA's Turing architecture, it provides respectable gaming performance at 1080p. Experience. Our evaluation of the GTX 1650 Super revealed smooth gaming experiences in popular esports titles and older AAA games. While it may struggle with more demanding titles at higher settings, it excels as an entry-level GPU for casual gamers and budget-conscious builders. Number 5. AMD Radeon RX 6500 XT. Performance. The AMD Radeon RX 6500 XT is a newcomer to the market, offering an affordable entry point for gaming enthusiasts. With 4 GB of GDDR6 memory and AMD's RDNA 2 architecture, it promises solid 1080p performance. Experience. Our initial impressions of the RX 6500 XT were positive, with the card handling modern titles at 1080p with ease. While it may not deliver the same level of performance as its higher-end counterparts, it represents a compelling option for budget-conscious gamers looking for a taste of AMD's latest technologies.